Welcome to Rapid Rates Club. Imagine waking up every morning with a clear purpose, resisting every distraction, and staying committed to your goals even when motivation disappears. Most people believe success comes from talent or intelligence. But what if the real difference lies in one simple ability? The power to control your own mind. Today we will explore the power of mental discipline by Tuhovsky, a practical guide that teaches us how to strengthen our willpower, master our emotions, and build a life driven by discipline rather than temporary motivation. The lesson number 1 of this book is motivation is temporary, discipline is permanent. Many people wait until they feel motivated before taking action. But motivation is like the weather. It changes constantly. Some mornings you feel energetic, other days you don't. If your success depends on motivation, your progress will always be inconsistent. Mental discipline teaches you to act whether you feel like it or not. A professional athlete does not train only on good days. A successful student does not study only when inspired. They show up because discipline has become a habit. So remember this, your future is shaped more by your daily habits than by your occasional motivation. The lesson number 2 of this book is control your mind before it controls you. Every day our minds produce thousands of thoughts. Some encourage us, others create fear, doubt, and excuses. The disciplined person doesn't believe every thought that appears. Instead, they question it. When your mind says, I will do it tomorrow, discipline answers, no, I will do it today. Winning this small internal battle every day eventually changes your entire life. Lesson number 3. Small victories build great strength. People often dream of dramatic transformations. They promise to wake up at 5 a.m., exercise for 2 hours, read 50 books, and completely change their lives overnight. But most people fail because they try to change everything at once. Ian encourages us to begin with small, consistent actions. Read just 10 pages, exercise for 15 minutes only, and wake up a little earlier. Complete one important task before checking social media. Small victories may seem insignificant, but together they create an unstoppable mindset. The lesson number 4 is comfort is the enemy of growth. Our brains naturally seek comfort. We avoid difficult conversations. We postpone challenging tasks. We choose entertainment over effort. But every meaningful achievement lies just beyond the comfort zone. The more often you choose discomfort today, the stronger your character becomes tomorrow. Growth begins where comfort ends. Lesson number 5 is your environment shapes your discipline. Willpower is important, but your surroundings matter too. If distractions are everywhere, staying focused becomes much harder. Imagine trying to eat healthy while your table is covered with junk food. Imagine trying to study while your phone constantly demands your attention. Successful people don't rely only on willpower, they design environments that support good habits. So remove distractions, organize your workplace, spend time with people who inspire you. Your environment silently shapes your decisions every single day. Lesson number 6 is about failure is training, not defeat. Many people quit after making one mistake, but disciplined people see failure differently. Every setback contains a lesson. Every obstacle builds resilience. Instead of asking, why did I fail? Ask, what can I learn from this experience? Every successful person has failed many times. The difference is that they refuse to stop. Persistence is often more valuable than perfection. To sum up, we can say that the greatest battle you will ever fight is not against other people. It is against your own excuses, fears, distractions, and procrastination. The power of mental discipline reminds us that success doesn't happen overnight. It is built through thousands of small decisions made consistently. Every time you choose action over excuses, focus over distraction, courage over fear, you become a stronger version of yourself. So remember, discipline is not about controlling your life for one day. It is about creating habits that shape your future for years to come. If you enjoyed this summary and found it valuable, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and share it with someone who wants to develop greater self-discipline. Until next time, keep learning, keep listening, keep growing, and never stop mastering your mind. Thank you very much for listening.